Welcome to Trader Radio. Behavior is the signal. Before we trade price, we read its habits because markets move through patterns, not guesses. In quantitative science, nothing is random. Everything follows probability distributions. Markets are no different. And just like volatility, liquidity, and momentum, numbers themselves carry predictable behavioral patterns. Elite mathematicians like Pythagoras understood this long before modern finance. He didn't just measure triangles, he measured cycles, rhythm, and human decision-making. In fact, Pythagoras is still known as the father of modern numerology today. Now, that may sound mystical to the untrained ear, but it's actually what the top 1% of traders do every day. They study invisible forces, repeating behavior, and timing. If you're here, you're thinking like them, mapping the energy that moves markets before you trade. Just so you know, here, when we reference guidance or angels, we're speaking about the subconscious intelligence that protects you and your capital, alerts you to risk, and aligns you with high probability decisions, whether you call it intuition, pattern recognition, or divine support. Now, let us begin as you stir awake. And as you open your beautiful eyes, you feel a difference in energy. It feels like an enchanting, happy glow. Today is not a normal day. Today is a day of miracles. A day of alignment. A day of limitless expansion. A day where everything flows to you effortlessly. Today, you rise under the sacred vibration of number 2. It's the frequency of grace, balance, and divine connection. You are being called to listen deeply, to move in harmony, and very importantly, to trust your inner knowing. Today is not about force, it's about flow. Your softness is your superpower. Before you even step out of bed, you take a deep, steady breath in. Inhale abundance, inhale ease, inhale divine overflow. Hold it, let it settle, let it expand. Now, exhale any tension, any limitation, any doubt is gone. You are stepping into this day as a magnet for wealth, success, and blessings. You are no longer reacting to life. You are creating it. You are moving with full confidence that the universe is working in your favor. Say these out loud or in your mind with conviction. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. My energy is magnetic. My presence is powerful. My aura is undeniable. I am fully aligned with divine opportunities, divine connections, and divine wealth. Every action I take today leads to massive success and expansion. You are not hoping for abundance today. You are expecting it. You walk through the world knowing that money is chasing you. Opportunities are looking for you. The right people are being drawn to your energy. Everything in your reality is shifting in your favor. The world is responding to your energy. And as you get out of bed, the universe is already aligning blessings for you. Your inbox is filling with divine opportunities. Unexpected money is finding its way to you. People are thinking about how they can support and elevate you. Doors you didn't even knock on are opening. You move through this day as a force of nature. Effortless, magnetic, certain. Every step you take today is in alignment with your highest good. Every decision you make is divinely guided. Every interaction you have is leading you closer to your dream reality. You are the creator. You are the architect. You are the quantum force behind your success. You say to yourself or out loud, I am powerful. I am wealthy. I am unstoppable. Everything I touch today turns to gold. I am a vibrational match for wealth, success, and limitless joy. The universe is absolutely obsessed with blessing me. Now take a deep breath in and lock in this energy. Lock in this frequency. Lock in this knowing. You are now in full alignment. This is how you move through the day. This is your default state. You say to yourself, I am powerful. I am wealthy. I am unstoppable. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Everything I touch turns to gold. I am divinely supported in all that I do. I trust the universe is conspiring in my favor. I move with confidence, knowing success is inevitable. I attract the right people, the right opportunities, and the right wealth. I am a magnet for abundance, luxury, and overflow. Every breath I take expands my prosperity. I am worthy of a life beyond my wildest dreams. Today, I align with the highest timeline for my success. Everything I desire is already mine. I am tapped in, turned on, and fully activated. I create, I manifest, I receive. And so it is. I am powerful. I am wealthy. I am unstoppable. I am an open channel for divine abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. Wealth is my birthright. I claim it now. My bank accounts are always growing. I move with certainty, knowing my success is inevitable. I am financially free, and my life is overflowing with prosperity. I am a magnet for money, opportunities, and divine connections. I walk in confidence, knowing that I am divinely guided. Everything I touch turns to gold. I attract wealth effortlessly, and it flows to me in unlimited ways. I allow myself to receive massive abundance with ease. My income increases while I rest play, and enjoy life. I operate in complete alignment with my highest timeline. I am tapped into the infinite supply of the universe. Every morning, I wake up more powerful, more abundant, and more aligned. I am in full command of my reality. I move through life with divine ease, grace, and certainty. Everything I desire is already mine, and I receive it with gratitude. 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 I trust the universe is always working in my favor. I am a beacon of divine wealth, health, and happiness. I am always at the right place at the right time, meeting all the right people. Today, miracles unfold before me in the most unexpected ways. I am deserving. I am ready. I am abundant. I am limitless. I am wealthy. I am powerful. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now you, beautiful child of the Most High, go and expect blessings. Your angels are always surrounding you.